Hi everyone and welcome back to my shop. Today I will continue to assemble the Bosch. It's a PBH and PBH 3000-2 FRE. Okay, what I will change for it will be the hammer. I have the new hammer. Okay, so we can see that the new is a little bit longer on a half of millimeter and it have bump and the cracks here. The old one, we'll try to focus that. Okay, I think you can see the difference. Okay, about my camera, it's about 3,500 subscribers left for the new camera, because I was told to myself and in one of the comments that I will purchase the camera for making videos when I reach 1,000 subscribers. So I think I will do that, of course not fast because the channel not going fast. Okay, but that's not problem for me. Okay, so I will change the O-ring. Okay, this O-ring is inside. It's cracked, so definitely we need to replace it. It's very simple, just inserting it inside and leave it. Okay, and of course the carbon brushes. Okay, they arrive to the holders, so I think I will change them all. Okay, so for now, of course, I will start from the hammer, just inserting it here. If you, I don't know, disassemble these parts, they're really simple. It's a, I don't know, sleeve, the O-ring, the small O-ring inside, the cap, then goes the short end of the hammer, and this one goes on the longer end. Okay, so what's this? Okay, so okay, it got my glove. Yep. So now we need to install the striker. I will use a little bit grease here. Okay. We need to install the striker into the tool holder or the cylinder. Okay, just pushing it with our finger. Checking that the hammer move backward and forward. Okay. Now it's a groove here. We need to put the spring ring here, so I will just press it with my fingers down. Then I will use the pliers to get it to the bottom. Okay, I will check, maybe one of my aluminum cylinders will be good for that. Okay, yes. Yeah, so you can see the aluminum cylinder pressing the spring ring in a place, so that's really good. Okay, of course now we need to check if the hammer is moving. Yep, it's moving, so that's very good. Okay, maybe I will complete the, okay, this one going to the recycle. So what we have here, okay, of course it's a striker here, just greasing it a little bit. Leave some grease here on the bottom and insert the aluminum cylinder. You can feel compression when you insert it. Okay, now we need to put a tool holder here, of course greasing it from the inside. Okay, what can we see here? Okay, and you will be here. Okay, Now everything is here. Okay. Of course, I will put some grease. You can see how it looks when assembled. I'll put some grease here. Not too much of grease because it will go out from the oil seal or the O-ring on the housing, so or sometimes it go out from the ball bearing on armature, so okay. So okay, you are here, the balls are here. Okay, so everything looks good. Okay, we can look here, we can try to install the armature and spin it. Okay, yeah, it spins. Of course, if you want to change direction, you need to move this one, so as you wish. Okay, so I will leave it for now. Now it's time for the carbon brushes, and here they are. Okay, it's very easy to replace them, just disconnect them. As you can see, the old brush and the new brush are different in length. Okay, okay, you can see now that they are really different. This one is sanded, so this one is new. Yeah, of course you can see this one is I don't know, smooth. This one is not smooth. It's normal for the carbon brushes, most of carbon brushes. Okay, so just connecting the carbon brush back. Of course, don't expect this tool to be made expensive and really good, because it's DIY tool, so it's not for professional use, so definitely it will not work the same as a professional tool, but for the home-based uses, I think it's really good. Bosch made really good green tools and the blue tools. Okay, so now installing the armature, lifting the field. Okay, I will take out the carbon brushes. Okay, sorry, hit my phone with the head. Okay, the carbon brushes goes into the place. Okay, okay. So what we have now? Now we have the, I don't know, it's a ball bearing housing. Okay, but it holds the ball bearing in place and the carbon brushes, so it's really important. Okay, so small screws here. Okay, it's a place for the wires, so connecting them. Okay, you can see that it was, I don't know, made some strange thing here when connecting the wires. I will check, maybe I'll have the wire holder here. Okay, maybe this one will be good. Okay. Yep, then I have the proper holder here. Genuine, but there's no difference. Okay, So now the wire will not go out. And I like that. Okay, so it's time to close the housing. Just make sure that all the wires are in the places. Okay, trying to close it. Yep, it closed. Good. Okay, so now we need to screw this screw in. Okay, was here. I will check because I cannot screw the screw in. Was here? Oh, it's broken screw over there, so I will just leave it as it is. Okay, it's a lot of screws. So now tightening the hammer casing. Okay, just okay. Now the switch knob. Okay, I will check how it's moving. Okay, I think I need just to install it. Okay, so knobs here. The smaller one goes here. Okay, wire not going. Okay, maybe there we will go. In. Okay, I forgot how to put it inside, but of course I will try to do that, to remember that. Okay, so now, okay, nope, you're not going. Okay. Okay, so yep, now it's going. Okay, so now you need to install the balls here. Okay, I will put some grease in the holes. I'm doing that because then the balls are holding easily in the holes and I will not lose them. Okay, so now the balls are in the holes. Okay, so we need to press the ring on. You can try to do that with the fingers, I don't know. Sometimes you can do that, sometimes not. Okay, so, and one of the way is to take the pliers like this, and of course stretch the ring a little bit, because it's what we can do. It takes it easy. We can stretch it. This is where the gap end. We can put a screwdriver in the gap. So, okay, it will be stretched a little bit and it will not mess. Oh, sorry. Okay, honestly, I hate this ring. I don't know why they did it, and I think I don't know, we can make some smarter things, but okay. Who I am to say that? Okay. Okay, just stretching with a screwdriver. Of course, it's not going easily. So sometimes I'm trying to hit it with a hammer. Of course, I'm not always lucky with that. Okay. I need to stretch it a little bit more to put the screwdriver inside. Normally, okay, so I will use the bigger pliers. Okay. Okay, I'll see that because sometimes the screwdriver hits the tool holder. Okay, so now I need to try to push it down. Okay, yep, it's down. Okay, and it's in place. Okay, of course, check the balls here that they are still in the holes. So what we can do now, we can try to put on the chuck. Okay, it holds, and we can remove it. Okay, yeah, we can remove it and we can put it on. Okay, so thank you for watching. That was a Bosch PBH 3000-2 FRE, not professional Bosch hammer or corded rotary drill. Okay, so okay, really thanks for watching, for subscribing. Of course, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe because I need a new camera. Okay, waiting for your comments, questions, and see you in my next videos. Bye.